like a cake?
Pero pag sikat, hindi ka naman dapat magyabang na kung sikat ka, di ba? Dapat kung sikat ka, lalo kang maging humble.
Give me that.
Ala, baka puntahan tayo dito. Grabe. Dapat ano lang, pag sikat na ba, kailangan maging ganun na ugali? Yun ba dapat pag sikat na?
Yeah, it's right there.
Ha?
Right there, the Stanley one. Right there.
Yan, dapat ano, pag sikat, lalo kang ano, pakita yung kagandahang loob. Yan. Minsan mas maganda pa yung mga politician na kahit pa paano plastic, ano, ay, ano, respeto, ganun, di ba? Charot. Ang vlogger naman, oy. Yeah. Jelana, how many you did? Maricar. No? Pag sikat, kailangan humble.
Mommy, make more cake.
Yan.
Mommy.
Saka wag man lait ng kapwa Pinoy. I mean, kahit kanino, wag manglait. Ganun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jelana. Happy birthday to...
To Mom.
Okay, make a wish. Make a wish. What's your wish?
I did a new toy.
Okay. Toy again. Okay. Thank you. What'd you do?
Oh,
What do you do?
it worked.
Laro-laro si Jelana eh.
Let me show you how to do this.
Laro siya maghapon. Yan ang ginagawa niya maghapon. Laro-laro.
I need me to take to Mommy.
Oh, you making a cake?
Yeah, a big cake. A big cake.
A big cake this time?
Yeah.
Tapos andun si Jade, basa-basa ng libro. Yan. Salamat sa mga patamsak.
He's reading her book.
Yep.
Yeah, we have books.
Jelana, did you read your book today?
Yes,
How many page?
fine.
5 page? Did she?
Yes.
He did.
Upong maayos, anak. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh, she's making me a big cake. Wow.
I made you a cake. Right there.
Flat cake?
The cheese stuff.
Oh, cheesecake?
Ew, see? Who do that?
Oh, you step on the... Oh, Jelana, you step on it.
Oh, wait, Teddy.
Then now you like, if Jade or Julene step on it, you're gonna cry. Yeah.
No.
Right?
Okay.
Now your feet is gonna get dirty. No, just leave it alone.
What do you know?
Are you gonna take a shower again?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And my hair is really bad.
Are you gonna wet your hair?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
How come?
I know hair day. Oh, go. Potato. Go. Hey, a potato in my butt.
And then... Hi, Linda. Say hi, Linda.
Paulina.
Now you can do this one. This one is harder, Jelana. Oh, hen.
Mommy, no way.
See? That's how you do it.
Oh, now I need to get a new one.
I sorry. 3 to 9K, what's that mean? What? Very good. Playing in